my name is Marion and together we will create a beautiful holiday card design with a message of hope to be delivered to those in need. This workshop requires just a few simple materials: paper, pencil, sharpie, colored pencils, eraser, and glue. However, you can also use these materials like markers, paint, colored paper like construction paper, and any other decorations you want to add to your card. And last but not least, don't forget the envelope. I will use a 5 by 7 inch envelope for this workshop, but you can also use a small invitation envelope that holds a normal piece of paper folded in quarters, or a large invitation envelope that holds a normal piece of paper folded in two. There are many other sizes of envelopes, just take whatever you have at home. And here's a trick: don't forget to adjust the size of your card to your envelope. Okay, so let's get started. Here is another little trick. I didn't actually do my design on the paper I want to use for the card. I drew it on a separate piece of paper, a little bit smaller than the size of the final card. At the end, I will glue my design on the folded paper, which will look very nice. You should do this too, because if you mess up, it's easy to start again. The first step is to sketch your design. Start by drawing a rectangle, then add a smaller one inside it. Then draw the hearts, circles, and other shapes outside the rectangle to frame the design. Draw a big heart in the center of the card, followed by stars, holly leaves, and a beautiful ribbon in the center. Finally, you can add a thin ribbon that wraps around the top edge of the rectangle. Outline your design with an extra fine point Sharpie. But if you don't have any, just use a pen. As you can see on these close-up pictures, you can do modification where you feel like it is needed. Finish outlining the frame of the design. And finally, outline the center of your design. Now, it is time to erase the pencil marks. Using your Sharpie or pen, you can add texture to your drawing by adding lines, circle, small triangle, etc. Use whatever pattern you think of. Here I started doing patterns on the hearts in the frame of the design. Keep filling different sections of your design with different patterns. Let's start coloring your design. You can use colored pencils, but markers and paint work very well too. Using red, green, blue, and yellow, keep adding colors to your creation. And keep doing it until you feel you are done. Now that you are happy with your beautiful art piece, it is time to glue it on your folded card. Et voilà! Let's not forget the reason why we are doing this. This card is going to be delivered to those in need with a message of hope. To connect with the person who will read this card, it is a great idea to sign it at the back of the card and to write how you did it. It shows the effort you put into it and will warm any heart. You can just write what materials you used, but you can also explain a little bit more about your process and share your experience. And finally, don't forget to write a nice note inside your card. I hope you enjoy creating these personalized cards that will bring a lot of joy to the person who will receive it. Bye bye!